Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good.
That's right.
Yeah man guys, I look some mango, you know. You can find 2 mango. So you got curry. But look on the sky. Rain not gonna fall. So open the fall yet. Looks so nice guys. And this one curry. So looking for the curry now. Buy a Maggi all purpose too. Yeah man, so that's it guys. Good guys, water well rough. The river come now because of the rain. Yeah man guys, welcome back here, welcome back to the channel. Seen by title and the thumbnail, when you don't know I'm all about in the video. White rice and curry mango. I cook it down in a coconut milk with saltfish and a ripe plantain. Right now guys, I'm really anxious to taste this. You see me? Yeah man. So, stay tuned and make sure you share the video and all that. Give it a like and a comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. And the first me I do it, right? I will about curry mango and I do that and add milk to twist to it. You see me? Because as you know, I always try something different. Right? I will try to come with something new, and if one dish everybody know, I always try add milk to twist to it. So, man jump right in the video now. So guys, I'm catching fire right here so. Right? And see all the ingredients here. Now 2 Julie mango, them turn, you know, down yeah, them turn. And scallion and thyme and add pepper. Yeah, and see 1 onion, tomato, sweet pepper, 1 plantain, the coconut milk, special jerk, a Maggi season, all purpose, and my curry and my rice. Yeah man, that's all the ingredients them. I'm just light fire. And see me have 2 calabash plate here. Today. Yeah, it's style cooking. Yeah man. To go the plate. I'm pack them. Yeah, and my water, because I can't get no water from the river today, because it's well dirty as you can see. Alright guys, so a cooking rice time now, you know. Spoon of rice. Little bit man. In a fire. Don't know say wash the rice you know guys. The guys, you could coconut milk in my rice. Guys, you forgot the salt. Okay. Coconut milk. What you want? Come feed? Yeah. Guys, you come feed. Boy, this can eat raw so.
Yeah?
Man, push here, man.
What I mean?
See me? This one eat raw, guys. Coconut milk.
Let me eat.
This ain't last boy.
No matter, let me eat.
Put up in the fire. Hold on, something nice, boy. Hold on. Guys, comment below and tell me if This kind of raw, like Lasco. Comment that below, guys. So, what do you know, guys? Put it on the next pot, you know. Same time for the sawfish to boil off, pull out it. Put this on tonight. Choose some water for me. Alright. And fish the pot then good and put it on the fire. Because 2 pots cook one time. Yeah man guys, so see 2 pots on the fire. Saltfish boil off. Rice in the pot there. So guys, start doing vegetable the menu. Oh man, I took my magazines my rice guys. Inside that. The onion, salt. I have to in there. Keep looking like it and don't start to do. Put more on there. Messy here, do? Throw everything in it, man. Everything.
Everything?
Yeah. Yeah, throw that net. And pull this and throw a little bit of it. That's a knife. It's a knife, yeah? Boy, guys, you might cut your finger. Oh, so I cut the finger, you know? Throw it half a night and throw it. No, I like doing that, I like. Alright, oh, not doing it. Hurry up. Yeah, man, guys, so you might do with that. Price for nice, no, guys. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna say, I go and do vegetable them. See the guys, saltfish boil up. Water boil up, so saltfish go and boil off now. So I'm gonna say, I do it all I season them now, because quick thing with the one guys. Lay thing.
You beat up?
No, it's a cut up. I scale and time and pepper night. You know, hold the camera. Go away.
Yeah, put on something funny.
Yes guys, that's everything I use. The pepper now, I now cut it up, you see me? I don't drop my pot same so because I don't want the heat that much.
Boss.
I want, yeah, not the bus. I want the flavor from the pepper.
The color.
So, and guys, you can throw them in the water. I don't throw no process in the water. Guys, that beer rain from the beer rain, so I can't film no video. The video I'll be late. Normally I upload Wednesdays and Sunday. The video I'll be late guys, because I can't shoot. That went Thursday. So I film this now guys. And go home and edit it so I can get it. Same time, same Thursday evening and I get this guys. Yeah, Thursday evening or Friday morning. More likely. Evening. No. More likely after the guys. Alright guys, see everything you know? See colorful and nice. Yeah man, that's everything you're gonna use. I'm see the pepper, now cut up. I got this thing out of it. Yeah man, that's it guys. Yeah man guys, I'm cut manga now. Yeah man guys, so as I say, season. Mango don't cut up, soon got the platen. I can take fire now. Put the foot boy. See the guys. Rice a steam. Fix you stick in fire. Yeah man, so what I'm going to do now guys. Stir up the hot water there. It's main back in the water here. They can clean up it. They can clean up. Next they can cook. So I'm never cleaning up. My deal the mango seed guys. So Mac, clean this guys. Check him back. Mango choke your boy. Look on the seed man. Seed. Show him. He will let me seed. Show that no man. Yeah man guys, so sorry for some pick up as I say. So what I'm going to do guys, I know you can't have two. You're dead man. Guys, one thing I forget. The oil simply started the vegetable, so now it's up different now. They can stay cause come throw this. Throw Wally and throw it. That I go for you now. Don't push off the pot in water.
Eh?
Don't put the pot in water. The rice pot in the water. No. Make sure it feels good. Yeah, what like that. Throw it in there first. Guys, the boy eat every single thing. All the seasoning it raw. Throw it at this net now. Guys, this a special jerk. So guys, we'll give this done time now. We'll start boil up and then we're gonna show you my season and the mango. With saltfish. Oh guys, the rice. Alright, that can done store now. Check your rice now. Rice a bun up guys. Syrup you know. Guys, look here. We bun up the rice. I mean I don't found no, not show no. Raw and uncut. First bun up guys. Today. All in by syrupy. Huh? Don't syrupy. Yeah. Guys, back to the fire, right? And looking for the pot. Right by hedge. No, and I will put this on my hedge. Nah, blow up. Nah, blow up. You're bounce off with the food. No, I'm not bounce off. Guys, pot a boil for now. Come, throw in the seasoning. And syrupy. See that guys? Curry mango, cooked in coconut milk with saltfish. Stir it man, I make it burn up. Alright, take off if you're done. Rice pot no. I don't know if you want to rice guys.
Oh.
We. How are you? Which one?
Me. Are you born on price? And no further under it.
Yeah man guys, so see it here now guys. This is my own. Smash your film shade there. Yeah man, see let back the guys. Enough full let back fit away. As him say, him can eat everything. Yeah man guys, so I taste test time now you know. Taste the rice first. Guys, the only thing we don't too like now this are the mango. Well, I'm showing something. Look on the mountain, guys, today. Look on the mountain. Anyways, are the mango alone too like now this. Maybe if you do ripe, I would love it or enjoy it more. Cause you make a sour taste to it. Look the guy, look there. Then can't make a plate. Good thing about it guys, you don't have to come out. So the fish then get this today guys. Glad to see you.
Come on, you know, call to me. They are asleep.
You're asleep man.
Brother, come with me up
Yeah.
come with me.
Yeah, by soup.
Medication for mama.
Oh,
Cook some soup for mama.
figure that.
Auntie money.